Alright, we have the medium Blu-ray disc remote control from PlayStation, from Sony of course. And this is the second line, so it actually works with TVs as well as a PS3. And it has more buttons, new design. And let's quick look at the box. Not much going on here. The main thing is what's inside. Out of the box, you get the remote. Ooh. Some branded AAAs. Oh. There we go. Sony branded AAA batteries. And obligatory paperwork. Okay. Alright, connecting the remote to the TV is a very simple matter because we're going to press TV. And it's already connected. Next, we are going to turn on the console. That didn't work. Alright, make sure the switch on the back of your console is actually set to on, so you can actually turn it on. Alright, so HDMI detected, because before I wasn't using it. Do you want output and audio using HDMI? Of course. Yeah, I hit the right button. Now we're gonna wait a second. Blah blah blah. Resolution 1080p. Blah blah blah. Yeah, you know what? This is fine. Your TV supports 3D. Optimal viewing. 23 inches, I guess. I really don't know. It's not really the point of what we're doing here, although I will have to figure that out. See my custom XMB sort of thing. But what we're gonna do right now is is that an accessory? Oh, here it is. Register Blu-ray disc remote control. Alright, and that's where this guy comes back. Press the start and enter. Start and enter. Well, there's start. Where is enter? No. It's a middle button, and at the same time it's beeping, registering. Sweet. Controller 6, charge level full. Awesome. And that's it. It's controlled. Perfect! Took me a while, but got it. Sweet. Now I can use this with the TV, or sorry, I can use this with the display and the console. Pretty cool, huh? And switch to TV, go to input, nothing in HDMI 2, composite, oops, bring it up, HDMI 1, go back to it, and we're back. And hit the PS3 button, and we're controlling it again.